You guys, I just got something in the mail I'm very excited about, and I just want to show everybody. So, I've been talking a lot about lacking sunshine and seasonal affective disorder. I finally got a HappyLight. I'm so excited. So I've heard that people that use these see results within a couple of weeks, and you're supposed to use it for a certain amount of time every day. And this one has brightness settings, color temperature settings, it has a timer, it's UV free, so it's safe for your skin and your eyes. And when you use these, not only are they supposed to help you with seasonal affective disorder, but they're also supposed to help you sleep, because you can reset your cycles with them or something. I don't know a ton about them yet, but I'm so excited to try this out. This is from the company Verilux. See if I can open this. And they have all different sizes and kinds. I got a big one. I wanted to have color temperature on it, and this one has a timer. I thought it was cool. How cute is that? Hashtag HappyLight. So there is a quick start guide and a whole manual. And this is my fancy new light. So it has a thing on the back where it looks like you can hang it on the wall or use this as a stand. Oh yeah, so this just comes off and you use it as a stand, or it has a thing that you can hang it on the wall. And there's a plug. I'm gonna hook all this up and then I'll let you see it. Here it is. It was super easy to hook up, and it just plugs into the back here. And I'm gonna start using this every day, and I will let you guys know how it goes, because it says it alleviates winter blues, overcome fatigue, increase energy, and reset your sleep cycle, all of which I need. So